this video, we will see how to process the FFS payment. Please note that all payments related to FFS are to be processed manually. If you want the payment details like the payment mode, bank account details, and payment date to be reflected in the FFS report, then please update the payment details. The FFS payment details can be updated in two ways. One is while processing the FFS and after processing the FFS. While processing FFS, click Manage Exits, click Process Settlement, click Next, click Update Payment Details, which is on the right-hand side. Fill in the details, that is the bank and branch name, the transaction date, the date of payment of the settlement, the payment mode, which is bank transfer, cash or check from the drop-down. Click Apply and click Save. Now to update the payment details after processing the FFS, go to Manage Exits, select the employee you wish to update the payment details, click on Edit at the right-hand side, click Update Payment Details at the bottom of the page, enter the name of the bank and branch from where the settlement payment is credited, enter the transaction date, that is the date of payment of the settlement, the payment mode, which is either bank transfer, cash or check from the drop-down, click Apply, click Save, and the settlement details are updated. The FFS payment will be paid either as part of the current month's salary or it would be a separate FFS cycle, which is as per the company policy. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.